Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open the FaceTime app on your Mac and sign in with your Apple ID. Grant camera and microphone permissions when Mac OS prompts you to allow access. Verify your camera shows a live preview before calling. Confirm your Apple ID email or phone appears in FaceTime settings. Check your internet. A stable 5 Mbps upload helps smooth video. Plug in power if your battery is low during long calls. Close unnecessary apps to free processing power for FaceTime video. Click New FaceTime, type a contact email or phone number, and press the video button. Wait for connection and see a ringing indicator while the other person answers. Use the mute button to turn off your microphone during any moment of the call. Toggle the camera button to switch between built-in and external webcams as needed. Click Add Participants to invite more people and create a group FaceTime call. Use the End button to leave the call when finished. Use SharePlay to share music, video, or your screen with people on the call. To use Handoff, stay signed into the same Apple ID on both Mac and iPhone devices. Move the call between devices by selecting the Handoff banner or device option. If video freezes, quit FaceTime and relaunch the app immediately to refresh connections. Restart your Mac if relaunching the app does not resolve the issue. Update Mac OS and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.